Model 2020 Citroen Dispatch BlueHDi 120S and S6-spd M1400 driver starts, drives, no VAT, body white, panel, van, mileage 60,878 MOT. The 16th of January 2025 engine 1997 ccdw10 FEU transmission 6-speed manual front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts and runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, parking sensors, 2 keys, air con, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap. Retail £11,595.